Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Preferences. Do this now via Window Preferences. You want to know your Eclipse version and operating system because themes vary by edition, so make a note. Once done, back up your workspace preferences quickly. That prevents surprises if you revert. Make sure Eclipse has internet access if you plan to install extras. You're ready to navigate to Appearance. Next, we'll pick and apply the dark option and adjust related colors. Now go to General, then Appearance and choose Theme. Dark, click Apply and then OK to preview. If the editor's syntax colors are low contrast, open Java or the language-specific editor preferences and tweak syntax coloring so keywords, strings, and backgrounds remain readable. If the built-in dark theme isn't enough, open Help Eclipse Marketplace and install a curated dark theme like Darkest Dark. After installing, restart Eclipse. Make small adjustments. Finish by restarting Eclipse so all dialogues, views, and editors update consistently. This resolves many partial apply issues. If you still see mixed light and dark elements, open Editor Preferences and manually set background and font colors for affected editors. Make sure your operating system or GTK theme isn't forcing colors. On Linux especially, system themes can override Eclipse. If problems persist, start Eclipse with a fresh workspace or run clean once. This usually clears cached UI settings and fixes stubborn mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.